to Man Cave Garage Workshop. Today we're going to take a look at this Bosch Orbital sander. I just picked this up at the middle of a build on my workbench project, so check that out when you have a chance. But today what happened is I've been working on the workbench for the last couple of weeks, and I'm using this Ryobi sander, so square sheet sander. I've had this probably a year or two maybe. Wasn't that expensive. It replaced an old mouse sander when I bought it that I had for forever. This sander, what the problem is it uses these spring clasps. So when you take a look at these spring clasps, right, they come out and you put the sandpaper in there. So the clasp, when you constantly are putting pressure on it, it's changing the shape of that piece of metal. So what happens is, eventually, the sandpaper stops grabbing. So that's what happens with the sander. So, I decided, I don't really like this. I've been spending a lot of time changing pads, changing the sander sheets. That's also very time consuming. Going from either 100 to a 150 to a 220. It's constantly changing the pad. They're not really easy to change either. So, I said, you know what? It's time for a new sander. I will say I picked this one out very quickly. I did a quick look online for top sanders, top sanders, and Bosch was one of the top 5. Some of the other ones were all cordless. There was a corded one. They also had another sheet sander, which I didn't want. I wanted the Orbital sander because I like the idea of very easy to switch on and off the sander. So it comes out from these. One of the things that a lot of the reviews talk about is the dust collection. So you're standing, as you know, dust goes everywhere. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to work. Looks like it comes with a dust port, so you can connect it to your back system. 120 grit sandpaper comes with it. Okay, some of the features you have, it's all rubberized grip, so it's all rubber up through here and front. It is a quick on-off right in front there, so real easy button press switch, I should say, switch on the back. You've got the speed setting for the oscillation, so you can adjust 7,500 volts per minute to 12,000 volts per minute. You can change the pad out, so it is interchangeable. So the dust canister, which is one of the features I liked about this, is hard plastic rather than the bags. The bags, they all comes up. So I like the fact that this is plastic. Comes off pretty easily. Just like that. The backing of the dust collector is pull the back off, so it's a little tight. It does have a filter in there, so it is extending the air back out, but it's filtered in. That's great. And then easy enough to change out and dump that out and put it back on. Swap out the canister for the vacuum hose. There you go. So there you have it. I'm going to give it a try. So let's see how it works. I think it's a lot quieter than the old one. We'll run that in a second. I also like the hand grip. The holds really nice. So you can see the difference in the sound. So I do like a lot better sandpaper. So while I'm at Big Ryobi and I've got all of this One Plus Ryobi tools, you won't see me using this. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out more reviews, other projects that we're doing, and work bench that's in front of me. And we'll see you next time.